Welcome into new video. Rohit Gaikwad once again, your real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. Today, we are continuing with our real estate lead generation series, part 7. In this video, I would like to cover nanubhaiproperty.com. You might heard about it, and it's a very old portal. Earlier, they were into, we can say, they were working as a classified portal, but now they have focused on premium as well as free services. So let's begin. I'll take you to their official website, nanubhaiproperty.com. Here, uh, as per the process, you need to register first as an individual agent. Your name, I'll put it. These details you need. uh, I'll do one thing. I'll pause this video here and continue with the after registration. After filling the details, I got a email from Nanubhai Property, and I need to click on confirm my email address. Then they are asking for company name. It's the Row Group. We can say tagline is, we can say, experience, delight. Contact person Abhijit. Establishment year 2010. Address, I am not putting here. I am going with the mandatory fields only to save our time. I deal with pre-launch, others ongoing deals in builder floor, residential house, paying guest, hostel, penthouse, residential plot, villa, banquet hall. See, these many kinds of properties we have. We just know three, four category like land, commercial, residential. This one, and you have to be a expert in this niche. Like for say hotel, if you are dealing with the hotel, just go with the hotel only and be an expert and build your authority and make it your niche. Then only you will earn money. Don't be a general store where you will get few bucks from everyone. Instead, be an expert and establish your credibility. Description: we are real real estate consultants based Pune, having offices at UK, USA, Australia, etc. uh, okay, authorized dealers of, you need to mention here if you are part of any organization or broker chapter group. State, I need to select the, it's already selected. I have to select the Pune. It's already, look at locality is hero. So I'll choose one locality. You can choose as per your convenience. So I'll go with the Baner. Okay, that's it. 338 localities in Pune area. So imagine, you can go with the three shortlist, three four locality, be an expert. Like work on few selected localities, and you will get a result 100%. Then I'll continue save, and we are ready to post our property. So here I am not uploading my photos and these things. I'll skip this state stage, and I am clicking on post free, post property free. You can go with the post locality review. In this way you will uh, build your expertise, and many people will see, people can check your review and contact you if they are interested to buy property in that particular locality. You can post your requirement too. If you are working with the B2B leads, like if you are okay with the one-sided brokerage, or you wanted some property for your uh, um, we can say buyer, then you can post your requirement. You can edit company leads. Instant leads are the paid, and these are the premium features provided by nanobuyproperty.com. Activate SMS alert, I'll say don't go for this, otherwise you will get lots of SMS and you will get distractions. Featured agent listing, this is also an paid solution or service provided by the Nanobuy property. Featured property listing, it is similar to 99 acres magic bricks. You can pay them to feature your property, and you can apply for a loan. This is generally for property buyers. So here, as a marketer or as a promoter, we need to click on the post property free. Then I wanted to see, we have registered as an agent, so you will get different options. For if you go through registered as an owner, you will get a different option. If you are registered as a buyer, you will get a different option. So it works on this basis, internal inputs. So I wanted to sell or rent. Sale, let's say sale. Property type, you will get different types of property. So I'll say here I'll go with the new one, business center. Okay, so it's a new property. City, already we said, it's, let's say it's in Bangalore. Bangalore. Okay, now a locality I have to choose any locality. Adarsh Nagar. Okay, covered area, I need to mention the covered area. Let's say 12,000 square feet. It's 12,000 square feet I need to enter. Plot area, let's say 40,000 square feet. Then you can mention carpet area, let's say 10,000 square feet. Total price, for tutorial purpose I'll mention 12,000 into 20,000, we can say 24 crores. 24 crores, 20,000 approximate I considered for a commercial. Rate per unit price is 20,000 square feet. Area type, covered area. Okay, so display price, yes, this price is negotiable, tick mark. This is ready to move. Furnished status, it's unfurnished one. Total floors we have, for example, 5 floors, and the description, it's a 5 floor or story commercial complex and business center available for sale at Adarsh Nagar, Bangalore. Let's say save. It will ask for the photos and these things. Project society, I don't want to fill these details. See, I am going with the mandatory fields only to save the time, but let's go one by one. I'll show which information they need or take from our side. We can say project society. If it's a part of project, we can mention the project, its address with pin code. We can say age of construction as per the completion certificate received or occupation certificate received. Type of ownership, you can say freehold, leasehold, or cooperative. Okay, available units, you can mention the total number of available units as per the documents. Directional facing, it is a vastu, so let's say east. So facing, you can say, from your window or door. Generally it's a window only. What you see, a pool or main road or garden park or any other balconies, if you do have, you can mention 1 2 3 4. Rest additional rooms you can go with one by one. If you have in house amenities, you can mention the vastu compliance, then CCTV, library and all. I'll skip all these uh, things because it's not mandatory. And I have to choose the photos. And here they are asking for photos, and I am uploading few photos, commercial one. I'll go with this. And okay, primary photo. Then okay, I need three photos. I'll put this one. Okay, let me try with another one. Okay, here, view property. Now you can say our property is available here. We can we can we have our property ID, so we can check it later or share it. You can share easily from here only. Bookmarks, and you can share this link only. They'll get this thing. So with the help of this portal, you will get a free leads. You will get a 5 credits, I guess. We can say we can check the fresh leads of this thing. From the your dashboard, you can check the available credits, leads consumed and credit we bought. So I'll just check it with fresh leads. So here only I got another lead who is looking for 1100 to 1200 square feet. So I can view a contact, uh, view contact. So let's say, for example, I'll show you this view contacts. So I have to verify my mobile number. Let's say OTP. I'll check the OTP. Let me try. It's 961080. Verify. So our mobile is verified. Now I can. Okay, okay. I don't have a lead credit, so I need to. Let's have a look on their packages. How much they charge for 100 plus 500 leads? They are charging 1099, means 100 rupee a lead, or 10 rupee approximate. 10 rupee a lead, you can you will get a credit. So it's cheap compared to other property portals. These are the verified. You can get NRI leads or genuine as per their commitment. If you go with the 500 leads, you have to pay less than 10 rupee. It cost you around, I guess, 500 leads, 9 rupee or something, 8 rupee or 9 rupee. Okay, so go through it. You can contact their team, contact us. You can chat, take chat support. and you can check their testimonials. This is the good property portal compared to other the costly one. You will get a lead. These leads are verified, I know, but sometimes if you got lead for Pune, they might be looking for Bombay, or they are having requirement, but pure buyer leads only. You will not get broker leads or the fake spam leads. Hope you will use it for your uh, promotion and lead generation process. Once again, Rohit Gaikwad, you are real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. If you are an real estate professionals, expert, or entrepreneur, you can enroll for my real estate lead generation blueprint and lead generation real estate mastery courses directly from my website rohitgaikwad.com/courses. Thank you once again. Bye bye.